Morgen, Klasse. Hallo. So these are your instructions for cycle 2. If you have not completed cycle 1 yet, please click into cycle 1 on the past due side of the Bitmoji classroom as soon as you go into German and Schoology. The Bitmoji classroom is where you should be accessing all your assignments. You should not be scrolling down and opening folders and looking for them that way. German class is not set up that way. So I encourage you to expand this to full screen. And cycle 1's over here under past due. Please click into that. They are not difficult assignments, but there are 9 of them, so please start plugging away at them slowly or efficiently. And cycle 2 is here. The due dates are January 5th to January 22nd. It is January 11th, so we're already about halfway through, a little less. So if you click into that, it'll take you straight to cycle 2. There's only 4 assignments on the activity board so far, but I will be posting just a couple more. I'm not going to fill it up for this cycle. So the first one is a Padlet. When you do cycle 1, or if you did cycle 1, you will have learned how to use Padlet. It's very easy. It's an electronic bulletin board where you can post many types of media. So you'll click the plus in the bottom right corner. It'll start a post, title it with your first and last name. And as you see, the students so far have done text, but there's also all different sorts of media that you can post in addition to text. So if you look at mine, I posted a couple pictures, a snowy picture with lights in front of my wife and my house, and then our Christmas tree, and just talked about how I relaxed and was able to spend time with family. So that's number 1 on the activity board. Number 2 is Die Farben, or colors, German colors. So that'll be the second German lesson in addition to the alphabet, which you would have learned in cycle 1. So go through here, look at the colors, try to pronounce them before you watch the video, but then when you watch the video, you'll learn how to pronounce each one. There's another little video with the song with German colors, and then there's a few different games. And so that's for you to practice the German colors. And when you're finished that and you're comfortable that you know them pretty well, you'll click on Die Farben Assessment, and there will be an assessment regarding the German colors. It's not long. So please click on that when you're ready. You can certainly leave the window open with the lesson so that you can refer back to it as you're doing this assessment. I don't mind if you do that. All right, so there are 4 questions that you'll complete after you learn about German colors. And then there's a Kahoot. When you're finished the Kahoot, I ask that you reply with a comment that says that you're done, and that way I can go into the Kahoot and look for your score, because they don't send a notification in Kahoot when someone finishes it. So that's it so far for this cycle. I'm just going to put a couple more in there. We'll learn about the German numbers for cycle 2 and then carry on after cycle 2 is over with cycle 3. If you have any questions, please send me a message on Schoology or on Gmail. And I hope that you are having a successful finish to your marking period 2. It is over in a couple weeks, so plug away at those assignments in your core classes and your related arts classes. And if you're an e-classroom student, you should be checking in every Monday at 12:50 to 1:10. And if you're a hybrid student, I will see you on Tuesday and Thursday for students A to L, and on Wednesday and Friday for students M to Z. All right, bis später. Auf Wiedersehen.